You have the autonomy to travel to so many visa-free countries. You not do visa processing. And even when you have the autonomy to travel to anywhere you like, don't be person where you get money to travel, they travel. You find schools that they have low tuition deposits, they have good instrumental plan, they have this thing. And I beg you guys in the name of the Lord, you know how UK is. Don't go and study anyhow course. Don't go and study anyhow. Don't go and study anyhow course. Okay. I know you can still go with your family. If you do, there are some courses that will allow you to go with your family, right? Then another thing I will tell you, hold your ears. This particular agency that I'm giving to you, right? The only thing that I trust them for is the admission and visa processing. If it's time to pay your tuition deposit, pay directly to the school. So you are hearing my English. What did I say? Pay directly to the school. Because some of you, sometimes I'll give them agency. I'll tell you this is the package that you can't do. They're going to be doing that package. You say, hey, because I recommend. So for the fact that I recommend somebody to you, does not mean that I trust all the packages that is in their hand. It's just that particular one, the more trust. So this agency is not collecting money from you. Do your admission processing, apply for your visa, bench. If it's time for your tuition deposit, pay it yourself. Don't go and give tuition deposit to the agent too. I will video it that when you watch it, if somebody still like and go and give the point and say because I should means we fed the person. And if you like, go and tell the agent that Dominion says you should not trust them. Go and tell the person because is it or not? Is it or not? So even when you don't want to make the tuition deposit to the agent, you will not make it obvious that, hey, she said she not pay to you. They said she not pay to you. No, you won't do it. You will do it with scope. Or you can say, hey guys, welcome back again to another video that you guys are expecting or thinking about. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a video that you're not expecting or thinking about or anything like that. So in as much as with all the changes in the UK, they remove shortage this, they kinecon like that, in as much as people will be like, don't come to the UK. But you guys know that from the inception of my video, I've always had different view regarding permanent residency and citizenship. You know, right? Like I used to say, if you don't have a skill or anything, citizenship or PR should be the least of your problem. But when I was saying it then, people feel like, oh, what are you saying? Citizenship or not? Now we say they extended it and call. So because I am not so big on PR or residency now, because I don't have the skill, I don't have this thing, I'm still in school. So not be my priority. My priority for now is getting that education that will put me in that spot where we say, now citizenship safe. Okay, go on after me. I told you guys that earlier this year I had a talking stage that was in another country, proposed marriage that I should move to UK with him. I chose my school, JJ, not even knowing that they're even going to change the law like this and everything. So imagine if I was desperate, I was like, oh, the British guy, oh, let me go. Then I've left school. Then what? So me just having that ideology about life just makes me be at peace with myself, work at my pace. So that's what I'm telling you. So citizenship, this thing. See, the thing is, I don't know about girls, but for girls, what's your way to do? Getting a guy that has citizenship is the easiest. So now you go even to select. She just want to have good character or bad character. And like I've said before, most of these guys that have British citizenship, they have very bad character. Terrible. The only good thing about them is their citizenship. But often your character is bad. So because, like I said, citizenship is not running away, PR is not running away. Aside Australia and somehow Canada that makes use of age this thing. In USA, you can get your citizenship anyway, and USA citizenship, oh no, babala, anybody. So why not take your time, acquire the skill, and move. And like I said, citizenship or not, it, aside you having access to different countries, working, it doesn't change anything. There is one popular YouTuber. Her name is I'm forgotten. If I remember, I'll attach it to the screen. She's a green card holder in USA. Then she visited a country like that. I've forgotten. They did not allow her entry, despite she's a US green card holder. I'm telling you that US green card at citizenship, there's no magic. The only thing is you have the autonomy to travel to so many visa-free countries. You not do visa processing, and even when you have the autonomy to travel to anywhere you like, no be person will get money to travel. They travel, right? So that should be the least of your worry. Focus on acquiring a skills that will last you long time. So this video is for people that are still interested in studying in the UK. Like I said, PR, indefinite leave to remain, should be the least of your worry. If you genuinely want to study in the UK, or if you want to move to the UK, register, right? I have an agency that I can recommend. They do not charge money. Free application, free visa application process. They don't charge you anything. But for me to give you their contacts, I'll charge you $100. I think this is my cheapest package so far. So I'm just giving you $100 because I'm giving you their contact. And then another good thing about this company is they have this company is, you find schools that they have low tuition deposits, they have good instrumental plan, they have this thing. And I beg you guys in the name of the Lord, you know how UK is. Don't go and study anyhow course. Don't go and study anyhow. Don't go and study anyhow course. Okay. So if you don't know what to study or MSc to study, you can book a separate consultation with me for me to advise you on what to study. Right? So $100 to tell you. I know you can still go with your family. If you do, there are some courses that will allow you to go with your family, right? Then another thing I'll tell you, hold your ears. This particular agency that I'm giving to you, right? The only thing that I trust them for is the admission and visa processing. If it's time to pay your tuition deposit, pay directly to the school. So you are hearing my English. What did I say? Pay directly to the school. Or you can even come and pay through me. I can pay. At least I trust myself. And so far, nobody can come and drag me that I pay through this girl. So this is because some of you, sometimes I'll give them agency. I'll tell you this is the package that you can't do. They're going to be doing that package. You say, hey, because I recommend. So for the fact that I recommend somebody to you, does not mean that I trust all the packages that is in their hand. It's just that particular one, the more trust. So this agency is not collecting money from you. Do your admission processing, apply for your visa, bench. If it's time for your tuition deposit, pay it yourself. If you don't know how to pay it, you can reach out to me. I'll assist you with the payment. I'll charge you a consultation fee. I'll tell you, I think that one is better. I can charge you a consultation fee and tell you how to make the payment. Don't go and give tuition deposit to the agent too. I will video it that when you watch it, if somebody still like and go and give the and go and say because I should then misrefer the person. That's why I used to make clarifications in my video. So the only thing I say you can do is apply for your visa, this thing, and so be careful with your money. And if you like, go and tell the agent that Dominion says you should not trust them. Go and tell the person because is it done? So even when you don't want to make the tuition deposit to the agent, you will not make it obvious that, hey, she said she not pay to you. They said she not pay to you. No, you will not do it. You will do it with scope. Or you can say, how can I pay? Or you first do like you don't ever have the money. That was the method of payment. Or is there a way they can pay to school? You can even say you want to use for me. They say for me it's not working. You say you know somebody that can help you, that made them leave that one. So you're not going to make it obvious that you're doubting the person. Because if you make it obvious that you're doubting the agent, that one way they do for you for free or this thing, you no go do them again, no. You no go do them. So it's okpolo, nothing. Do you understand? Right, I say my content. So if you're interested, say pay your 100 USD and I'll send you the contact. Like I said in this video, you're not paying any money to the agent. So if at any point the agent is asking you for money, I'm not away. I don't know of it. It's not in my your own free visa application and free admission. That's why I came to advertise. Even if the agency come and pay 5,000 for form, it's not part of discussion. I'm not aware. And if there's anything like that, make sure you reach out to me and tell me. I'm not aware. Don't go and pay any money in my back that I did not mention. I did not approve. I'm not aware of. Even when you are doing for your tuberculosis test or visa application process, try and pay it yourself. Or even if they will pay you, make sure that, okay, if you guys are in the same location or this thing, use your discrete this thing. The only thing that may approve of. You guys know for sometimes a while now, I stopped working with agents, if you know. So most times I do my processing myself. So you may okay, if you that job, everybody come and say, hey, you gave me somebody. Please, don't. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.